To freaking focus. Okay, one thing I gotta say, this camera's autofocus is so bad. So bad. So I literally have to manual focus. Because it literally keeps hunting back and forth, and it's the most frustrating shit. Okay. Sweet. Alright. Alright, today we're detailing a car. Roll that intro.
With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just sleep. I need more of.
So, I'm gonna go back to what I said about the camera's autofocus. I don't think it's the camera, I think it's the kit lens. Hopefully. If it isn't, then my camera's fucked and we're gonna have some issues. So, I don't know exactly what to do about that. Anywho, I just got home from work. I'm editing this the day I'm posting it because I'm slacking and I had to make this intro and then I have to make an outro. I noticed my energy in the last one, the beginning, was very bad, so I'm gonna up the energy a little bit. Try to make it look like I'm not fucking depressed. So today we are not today. We did it yesterday, but yesterday, 2 days ago, we detailed my car, or Brendan detailed my car, and I filmed him doing it. We just did a quick little buff and we did some ceramcoat. I think it was Shine Armor. It has good reviews on Amazon. It's cheap. It's just a cheap ceramcoat. Obviously, it's not the real ceramcoat because that shit's expensive. So, we did that. Just got some shots of it. I noticed looking at the footage, there's still not enough talking, so I'll probably overlay some music over it. Maybe at the end, I'll try to get like a quick edit because I got some pretty cool shots of it. So, throughout the video, it's gonna literally be just like from start to finish, shots here and there. Hold on. Fuck! Freaking eyes itchy. I'm sneezing. So the video is pretty much, it's gonna be from start to finish. It's just gonna like go in sequence with the shots that I got, and then at the very end, maybe I'll throw together like a little 30-second like cinematic video for it. But it's kind of just like a process, the kind of process. We didn't go into all the details of detailing it, but I got a general idea. So, and then at the end we just played some poker. So here's the video. What up, guys? Today back with another video.
So I'm gonna point it down just a little bit there. Yeah,
it's pretty wide. You can usually, if it's
I can see it just because like where my hands are. Yeah. There we go. All right. So first we're gonna start with a super clean here. And this is just like a degreaser, so we're just gonna get the tires with it. And it really just pulls like all the dirt up off there. Wheel wells are really nice for it too.
Yeah.
Use that.
So this isn't the final thing you do?
No. This is just to pull dirt off. Your wheel wells are hard to get into, obviously, but like trucks and stuff, when they get kicked, it's just pulling all that hard dirt. This thing's not spraying. Probably turn it on first, huh?
I was saying, it's kind of quiet.
Take a second. You're just pulling off all that dirt though? Yeah. spray it off here pretty soon so that side in the sun doesn't be baked. Pull any contaminants off the paint, so when you're buffing you don't have the little small things getting caught in the buff or scratching up your paint, little micro scratches. But you just kind of work it, push it around.
It's actually just like clay. You
Yeah,
just literally grab stuff.
Literally a clay bar. So like if you feel the paint right now, you can literally feel like little contaminants is what we call them, but it's pieces of dirt, little rocks, whatever, in the paint. So you just use this to pick those up. And we use a product called Optimum No Rinse. Spray that on, wipe it, and then we'll just take the pressure washer and wipe it off, or spray it off after.
Okay.
I'm just doing some artwork over here at the shop.
Wait, what?
I'm detailing Dylan's Beamer for him. We're making a little video.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's fine. All right, run us through it.
All right, guys. Now we're gonna grab the Ferrari here. Had a little incident, but this is the Rupes. This is the Bigfoot. This is what the big daddies in the game like to use here.
It looks so nice.
This is what does all.
So it's the machine, not the actual buffer.
Yeah. So basically, this is like a dual action. So it's going up and down and side to side.
Okay.
As opposed to just, or not side to side, sorry, up and down and spinning, as opposed to just spinning.
Yeah.
So that like relieves pressure, so you don't get like spots in the paint that
Uneven
get all
spots.
messed up. Or... Oh, it's
Yeah,
broken.
it was coming out of the side when we did that.
That's too bad. That's a lot. So. Oh God. Oh. Oh God. And I got pooped. So when you start out with a pad like this, especially a newer one, you gotta like prime it.
Yeah.
So like this is your speed here. The nice thing about the Rupes is however much you put this down is how fast it's gonna go. Okay. So see how it's already spreading though? So we're gonna go on like this and slowly prime the pad. So right now we're just getting that evenly.
How you doing?
Good, how's it turning out? You need the professional?
He's texting me right now. You're in my zone. That's gross. Yeah, what the? What's wrong with you? 5 months, but like, and like, I'll. No,
Yeah.
You gotta get some money back hard, man.
Savage, like,
I do golf.
yeah, it's my favorite place. Yeah, it's like the actual coast. Oh yeah, no, I've never been. It's insane. Jace was like, he was here for a
Pull
while.
up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brushstrokes. Cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry carry the torch. I'm way up in Slitty wherever we float. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip, yeah. Life is lit, take a breath, that's it. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is litty, shit a gift, bitch I'm him. I don't really lack nothing. Drip blackfish, hit the splash button.
Yeah, here over you. Stay. He's moving. No, stay! God damn. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap up this video. I don't know what I'm doing next week. I'm shooting a video for Aspen Lakes this weekend, or parts of it for the video this weekend, so maybe I'll like throw that into a video, or we're gonna do something obviously random, because that's what I've been posting, is random stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching, and catch the next one next week. Bye.